I hope you enjoyed the video from Debbie Nelson last week, and you have activated your bookmarks bar in Google Chrome and added some bookmarks and folders. If you haven't, pause this video, click on the link in the description, and watch that one first. Today, I'm going to show you a few more tips, but you need some bookmarks ready to go. The first tip is all about saving space on your bookmarks bar. There are so many bookmarks with icons that are quickly recognizable. On those bookmarks, we can remove the name and just leave the icon. That opens more space. Just right-click on the bookmark and then go to Edit, and you can delete the name. Click on Save, and now you have more room for other icons and bookmarks. If you're needing to open a bookmark in a new tab, you don't need to open a new tab and then click on the bookmark. You can simply go to the bookmark, right-click, and say Open a New Tab. Let's say you routinely open a set of websites and you are clicking on them and opening them individually. If you have those in a folder, with a simple right and left click, you can open them all at once. Many people have their web browser start by opening a set of websites. That's great if you use them every time you open your browser, but it can become tedious waiting for them to open every time you start your browser. Using the folder method, you have more control over what you want to see when you want to see it. When I have website work to do, I just come to my website folder, I right-click, left-click, and it opens all those links. If you happen to need the same bookmark in more than one location, that's an easy fix. Go to the bookmark, right-click and copy, hover over the folder, right-click and paste. When you open that folder, you're going to see the newest link you added at the bottom. You can grab that link and you can organize them and put them in any order that you like. So next time you go to open that folder, if you open them all, they will open in the order that you've organized them inside the folder. I hope you found this tech tip helpful. Have a great day.